Hey guys, so this morning I'm gonna do a little 5-minute number for you that you can wear to like Whole Foods or Trader Joe's or trail ride, or if you just wanna kind of have something on but not really look like you've got anything on. So I've started by moisturizing my skin with Goop's Revitalizing Day Cream, and now I'm gonna use Chanel's Tint Foundation, which I'm obsessed with for that no makeup. I'm gonna use 2 pumps, rub it into my hands, start on the bridge of the nose, massage it all over my face, and it's just kind of blurs the skin so you can be on a hike and definitely not be wearing any makeup, because I mean, who wears makeup when they're working out? Not me. But guess what? I actually do, because I wear this. So it's that perfect no makeup. Make sure you blend down the neck, because you never want to give it away that you've got anything on when you're trying to do a hike on a trail. All right, so next what I'm going to do, now that I've pushed that into the skin so it really disappears, it's given me a bit of color, what I'm going to do is grab my Clé de Peau concealer, which I love so much. Why? Because it's super hydrating. A little bit on the middle finger. I'm going to tap it around the inner corner of my eye. I'm only putting it on the inner corner and the outer corner here because that's where you get dark. We don't get dark kind of around here, so there's no need to put concealer there. Just on that inner corner here, and then the outer corner is when we tend to get any discoloration. Pushing it into the skin. So why do I like a hydrating concealer? Because I don't like anything that's too dry underneath the eyes, or it collects into any fine lines that one might have. And then you look older, and nobody wants that. Okay, next I'm gonna grab my Tom Ford bronzer with my Pat McGrath powder brush, just giving myself some warmth, looking like she's been to the Bahamas, contouring and shaping the face a little bit, because we all need a little extra something at the moment, because these have been some pretty dark times. But hopefully there's a little light in the tunnel. We can go on hikes now, and that's great. So why not pop a little makeup on to do it? But you know what? This is really like a Whole Foods look, what I'm doing right now, or a Trader Joe's kind of vibe. All right, next what I'm gonna do is grab my Lila Bee. I'm obsessed with these cute little cheek and lip tints. So sweet. Little bit on my finger, apple of the cheek. This is what's gonna give us a little bit of color, which is what we need. Whether you're on like a Zoom call or FaceTime or whatever it is, it's always nice just to have that extra bit of color on your cheek, because it brightens you up. The camera tends to kind of dull our skin a little bit, so it's nice just to have a little extra something on the cheeks at the moment, I think. But in general, I do love a flushed cheek anyway. Going back to, you know, when we go on a hike, we always look better and fresher when we've been on that hike or we've done some kind of a workout, and it's because of that flushness in the cheek. So we're just adding that back in. I'm also going to use this on the lip as well as a little stain. So quick, I can't believe this. And that is called Be Lovely, this one. Next, I'm gonna do a little brow stitch, because you've gotta have a brow no matter where we're going, Whole Foods or a hike. And I'm just gonna use the pencil to give myself, like, to fill out my brow and make it whole. I'm not gonna do like a brow, because that's a bit crazy for a hike. This is Giorgio Armani's pencil in, I can't see, I think it's like medium. So I'm just filling in the holes, but I'm not putting a full brow on. Still extending that brow, because she loves an extended brow, even for a hike. Okay. Next, mascara. Pat McGrath's mascara in black. I've bent the wand so that I don't whack myself on the inner corner here, and I am going to blink onto the mascara brush. So blink on, push and wiggle, blink on, push and wiggle. I mean, because this is just like hike makeup, I'm not gonna go crazy. If I was going to Whole Foods, I'd probably put 2 layers on. A little bit on the bottom as well. Voila, there is my 5-minute hike, Whole Foods, Traders, kind of pick up a new top from a shop, curbside makeup for you guys. Have a good weekend. See ya.